So this morning, we're going to get ready to marinate a pork tenderloin with fresh cherry salsa for dinner tonight. We're getting ready to put that marinade together. The marinade consists of cherry balsamic, Persian lime olive oil, and it consists of some fresh cilantro. Given that I've been home for a week and not grocery shopped, I'm going to substitute, which you might want to do at home too, and I'm going to use the cilantro and onion in that marinade. I've chopped up the shallots. They're ready to go in the marinade. The pork tenderloin is sitting ready to go. I'll pour this all together and pour it over the marinade, and we'll marinate the rest of the day, and I'll show you as it comes out for dinner tonight. I marinated the pork tenderloin. It's been marinating all day. This is the recipe that I made. It's called pork tenderloin medallions with fresh cherry salsa. It is from one of our first books, In the Kitchen with Fustinis. Due to the weather not cooperating, I didn't grill it. I did cook it in the oven. And then I prepared the cherry salsa to go on top of it. We've got that to drizzle over the top. My salsa was a little different in that due to the quarantini, I didn't have all the ingredients, so I made do with cherry balsamic and Persian lime olive oil, and I'm sure that will be a delicious dinner tonight for me.